in Buhuin, one of the part of the Busuanga Bay Lounge. Parang dito, ayan mga room nila. That's the room over there. There's a few rooms, so we're gonna check inside. Mag-rest ka dyan? Oh, rest siya. Coming! Ayan, there's a few rooms. I think this is for like mga backpackers. Backpackers. Dito ang they can stay.
Mahaba yung walking step.
Okay, kaya nga, ito na. Papunta na ako here. Teka lang. Later naman baka madapa ako. Actually, there's a lot of rooms. And then, yeah, here. Jenny said it's like more on backpackers client customers. Yeah, here. It's like 2 minutes drive from Busuanga Bay Resort doon. And then here. So we're gonna check over there. They have a mini farm. Ayun, let's go over there. Tara na.